It's 6600 Doubletree padlock renovation. Doorbell works. Weather stripping to the front door. It's peeling. Needs to be replaced. Wooden laminate has surface scratches and scuff marks. It needs to be checked out. Black markings on the walls, several of them. Majority of the trim will need to be painted as well if it doesn't come clean. Color appears to be softer tan. It needs to be checked out before painted. Units also going to need to be sprayed for roaches. A broken window. There's somebody threw a brick through the window and kicked it in. I've called maintenance. They're coming to board it up. The plate joining the linoleum, the wooden laminate is coming up. It needs to be repaired. All the appliances gonna need to be cleaned. Place drip pans for Whirlpool, too big, too small. Water stains. Put under the kitchen sink. Need to be checked out, may need to be replaced. Single current water leaks. Some of the large trash out. Household good, furniture, clothes, miscellaneous trash. Gonna need bulbs that are blown. AC filter is dirty. Missing a shelf in the closet. Needs to be replaced. Markers in the laundry area, it's gonna need to be painted as well. Few doors are gonna need to be painted. More markings on the walls. Gonna need receptacle covers and painting on. Same stuff at work. See no water leak. Sink, toilet, the bathtub, it's gonna need to be recaulked. Possible mildew stains on the bottom of the bathtub. It needs to be checked out and repaired. Toilet's tight. The seat is loose. It needs to be repaired. This lock screen works. Scuff marks, wooden floors. More markings on the walls. Light for the garage is not working. See, we have an exposed wire. Not sure if it's hot or not. It needs to be repaired. More scuff marks on the floor. Light switch does not control the ceiling fan. Needs to be checked out. Bed frame. This toilet needs to be recaulked as well. The seat and the toilet itself is actually loose. It needs to be repaired. Same stuff at work. Some of the water leaks. Yeah, that's previous water damage done. What's gonna need to be replaced. More possible mildew stains. Needs to be checked out. Tyrex tight. Exhaust fan works. That's about it.